Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Kipling Rolling Backpack is probably one of the most versatile and stylish options for young students, offering a practical solution for carrying school essentials while keeping up with their active lifestyles. This backpack is designed to make school days easier and more fun, whether they're navigating crowded hallways or heading out for after-school activities. Its durable construction and thoughtful features ensure it can withstand the rigors of daily use, making it a reliable companion for any girl. Number 5. Kipling Women's Seoul Laptop Backpack. Introducing our best-selling backpack, designed with all the iconic features you love. It offers exceptional durability and ample space for all your essentials. This backpack comfortably fits everything you need, big or small. It also includes a built-in protective sleeve, perfect for your 15-inch laptop. With adjustable padded straps, convenient front zip pockets, and water bottle holders, it's the perfect companion for travel, school, work, or even as a diaper bag. Crafted from our signature water-resistant nylon, this large day pack is both easy to clean and surprisingly lightweight at just 1.41 pounds. At Kipling, we believe in personal style. That's why our quality, durable bags are available worldwide in a variety of fun colors to suit everyone. What we like? This one is perfect for daily commutes and travel. If you need a reliable bag with a dedicated sleeve for your 15-inch laptop and plenty of space for essentials, this is a great choice. Its durable and water-resistant material means you can count on it in any weather. What people say? This backpack is perfect for school. It has a lot of room and compartments. The wheels are sturdy and roll smoothly, making it easy for my daughter to carry her books. It's made of durable material and has held up well throughout the school year. Number 4. Kipling Women's City Pack Mini Backpack. Discover the Kipling Women's City Pack Mini Backpack. It's a lightweight and versatile day pack designed for your daily adventures. From duffel bags to handbags, our styles are made to fit your day wherever it takes you. Mix and match or create a complete set. We believe in personal style over perfect style. Our bags come in fun colors and feature our signature monkey keychain. Make it your own. From the color to the design, our bags reflect your unique style. Perfect for travel or a new school year. Created with your needs in mind, these are lightweight and water-resistant. Perfect for school, work, or travel. This chic fashion mini backpack is designed to be both stylish and practical. It's the perfect accessory for any occasion. What we like? If you're looking for a compact and stylish everyday bag, this mini backpack is ideal. It's lightweight, comes in fun colors, and lets you express your personal style. It's perfect for those who prefer a smaller bag for essentials and a pop of personality. What people say? The backpack is very sturdy and well-made, with plenty of pockets for organization. The wheels are smooth and durable, making it easy to roll through airports and school hallways. The backpack is lightweight and comfortable to wear, even when fully packed. Number 3. Kipling Seoul Extra Large Backpack. Introducing the Kipling Seoul Extra Large Backpack, your perfect lightweight companion for any adventure. It's designed for ultimate convenience and style. This backpack boasts a durable exterior and a surprisingly roomy interior, easily accommodating all your essentials, big or small. It's built to last. Keep your tech safe with a dedicated, built-in protective sleeve designed to safeguard your laptop. Travel with peace of mind. With adjustable padded straps and multiple pockets, it's ideal for travel, college, business, or even as a diaper bag. This pack adapts to your life. Crafted from Kipling's signature water-resistant nylon, this extra-large day pack is incredibly lightweight at just 1.72 pounds. It's easy to clean and ready for anything. At Kipling, we believe in personal style. That's why our quality, durable bags come in a variety of fun colors to match your unique look. What we like? For those who carry a lot, this extra-large option is a lifesaver. It easily fits all your essentials, including a larger 17-inch laptop, making it perfect for college students or frequent travelers. Its spacious yet lightweight design ensures comfort even when fully packed. What people say? This backpack is very well made and durable. It has plenty of room for all of her school books and supplies. The wheels and handle are sturdy and easy for her to use. Number 2. Kipling Women's City Pack Backpack. Meet your new favorite backpack. It's durable, water-resistant, and designed for all your adventures, big or small. With a secure cinch cord and magnetic closure, plus adjustable straps, it offers customized comfort and peace of mind. Despite its generous 16-liter capacity, it's surprisingly lightweight at just 1.32 pounds, perfect for carrying all your essentials. Multiple compartments, including internal and external zip pockets, keep everything organized, from your passport to your notebooks. Whether for travel, college, or daily errands, this versatile day pack is the ideal choice for anyone on the go. At Kipling, we believe in personal style. Our quality, durable bags come in fun colors, perfect for everyone. What we like? This backpack is designed for the organized adventurer. If you need a secure and versatile day pack with easy access to your items, this is the one. The cinch cord and magnetic closure add security, making it great for travel or busy days out. What people say? This backpack is a great size for school. It has a lot of pockets and compartments, which is helpful for organizing. The wheels are sturdy and roll smoothly, making it easy to carry. Number 1. TILAMI Rolling Backpack with Lunch Bag, Flower Pink. Introducing a backpack that adapts to your needs. It effortlessly transforms from a wheeled suitcase to a comfortable backpack, perfect for school or your next adventure. Keep everything you need organized with its ample storage. The included lunch bag ensures your meals stay fresh and tidy all day long. Navigate busy areas with ease thanks to its sturdy, extendable handle. Rolling it on any surface is smooth and simple. Crafted from high-quality materials, this backpack is built for longevity. Its stylish look and vibrant colors make it a fashionable choice. Trusted by users, it's praised for its size, durability, and protective features during travel. It's a dependable option for your carrying needs. What we like? This is the ultimate solution for students or travelers who need it all in one. If you're looking for a versatile bag that can be rolled or worn as a backpack and comes with a convenient lunch bag, this is it. It makes transporting books, laptops, and meals incredibly easy and stylish. What people say? The backpack is very spacious and can hold a lot of books and supplies. It is made of durable material and seems to be well constructed. The wheels are smooth and easy to roll, making it convenient for carrying heavy loads. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.